Welcome to day 18 of 30 days of Python. In this video, we'll be looking at how to work with the for loop in the Python programming language. Now in Python, the for loop and the while loop. The for loop is used to loop a fixed number of times, while a while loop is used to loop indefinitely. To understand the for loop, we need to look at its syntax. So we say for item in sequence perform actions on the item additional statements. So we use for loops when we want to iterate a fixed number of times. But let's look at an example. First, we have a fruit list. Orange. So we say for fruits in fruits, print fruit. And you see the way the for loop works is it goes over the list and just prints it out. Now to iterate over a range, we use the range function. So I'll quickly demonstrate. I'll say for num in range 1, 6 print num. So the way it works, this is the starting position and it stops at 1 less than the ending position. So the range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 and increments by 1 and ends at a specified number. So what we can do in that case is, if we want to create a countdown, we say for I in range 10, 0, -1, print I. And then that gives us a countdown function. Now, to break or continue a loop is the same thing as breaking or continuing a for loop, a while loop, sorry. So I'll say for fruits in fruits, since I've not modified that list, if fruit goes to banana, break print fruit, and it only prints apple. Now if you recall, the fruits list is made up of apple, banana and orange, but because we said it should terminate, it only prints apple. Now what the continue does is continues keeps the remaining code within the current iteration and proceeds to the next iteration. So the way that works is we'll say fruits for fruits in fruits if fruit also continue print. So it prints orange, apple and orange, it skips banana. Now lastly, the else in the for loop. What the else does is, the else keyword is used in the for loop to specify what you should do when the for loop is finished. So say for x in range 6, print x else print and you see the way that works. That prints finally finished when the loop has finished. So we can create a countdown with this. We can say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1, 0, and left of. So that's for the rocket. Sorry, I mistakenly pressed save. We're working in the shell, so now I need to save it. Desktop. So in conclusion, the for loop is an indispensable tool in Python which empowers programmers to automate repetitive tasks, iterate over collections, and process data efficiently. By understanding the syntax and versatility of the for loop, you can unlock a wide range of possibilities within your coding endeavors. With its simplicity and power, the for loop proves to be a valuable asset in your Python programming toolkit. Thank you very much for watching, and please like and follow for more content like this.